In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight text in Webflow. If you're working on a Webflow project and need to draw attention to certain words or phrases, highlighting is a fantastic way to do just that. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log in to your Webflow account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Webflow dashboard. This is where you can see all the projects you've been working on, as well as any new ones you're about to create. Go ahead and navigate to your Webflow dashboard now. Next, you'll want to locate the specific project you are planning to edit. Browse through your existing projects until you find the one that you would like to work on, and then click to open it. This will take you to the Webflow Designer, a powerful tool where all the magic happens. Once you're in the Webflow Designer, identify the specific word or phrase in your project that you want to highlight. Carefully navigate through your document or web page and select the text that you wish to draw attention to. If you're working on a lengthy document, using the search function might be helpful to quickly locate the precise text you need. After selecting your text, look for the Wrap in Span option. You'll usually find this represented by a small brush icon. Clicking this button will encapsulate the selected text within a span element. This step is crucial, as it essentially separates the chosen text from the rest of your content, setting it up for personalized styling. Now, with your text wrapped in a span, it's time to give it a unique class name. Choose a descriptive name like highlight word. Assigning a unique class to the span makes it very easy to apply specific styles, such as color or background, to only that particular segment of text. This class will become your styling handle for the word or phrase you've highlighted. Once you've named your class, the next step is to style it according to your design preference. This part allows you to flex your creative muscles, deciding how exactly you want the highlighted text to appear. You can tweak the text color, add a background color, adjust font weight, and more to best fit your overall design theme. Finally, when you've finished styling your highlighted text to your heart's content, the last step is to publish your project. Click on the Publish button to save all changes and make them live on your website. And there you have it. Now your selected text stands out just the way you envisioned. By following these steps, you can easily highlight text in Webflow and enhance the visual appeal and usability of your web pages. Thanks for following along, and see you in the next tutorial.